tonight, Shehzad Poonawalla, national spokesperson of the BJP. Also joining me tonight, Deepak Reddy, national spokesperson of the TDP. Satyaprakash Mishra, leader of the JDU, joining me in our studios tonight. Abbas Haider, national spokesperson of the Samajwadi Party. Shubhankar Bhattacharya, political analyst, supports the Trinamool Congress. Also joining the news hour. But my first question goes to Sanjay Jha, Congress leader, suspended or not. Well, I'll leave that decision for Sanjay Jha to mention. But Sanjay Jha, aren't you seeing a little bit of a petty attitude coming in from the leaders in the opposition camp? Because not one of them has publicly congratulated a new government. You have a problem with Modi, but he is the Prime Minister of the country. And he's taken oath. The numbers are there for everybody to see. The alliance partners are there for everybody to see. So somebody is saying Jhunjhuna mil gaya hai. Somebody is saying leftovers have been given. So Omar Abdullah and Sanjay Singh obviously trying to create a little bit of a storm in a teacup by trying to uksaw the alliance partners. The others are actually switching off their lights and mourning in their homes. Is this the fight for democracy that the opposition had claimed they were doing? Democracy alive, kicking. EVMs have worked, Election Commission has worked, and numbers have shown what the truth is. So what is the opposition crying foul and mourning about?
Navika, good evening to you and all my fellow panelists. I'll try and respond to your questions, very valid. As quickly as possible. Point number one is, I think if any political individual who's responsible for lowering the public discourse, I think the credit and the entire celebration of that has to be done at Mr. Modi's doorstep. During the campaign in Bihar, and this is the Prime Minister of the country, you're right, a very august office, occupied by the Prime Minister for 10 years now. It's not like a short period of time. During the campaign, the Prime Minister of the country said, and this was targeted at Tejasvi Yadav of the RJD, the countdown to your arrest has begun. Can you imagine? There is no government. Nobody knew what the end results will be, excepting Mr. Modi, of course, and some exit pollers. Mr. Modi actually threatened a senior opposition leader of an impending arrest. I mean, this is the kind of vitiated political culture that has been unleashed by the Prime Minister. I mean, come on, Navika, unprecedented in our parliamentary and political history, but a Prime Minister accused of hate speech. If we had a real independent election commission whose back was not that of a chocolate eclair, which was not spineless, Mr. Modi could have been disqualified. He could have been banned from campaigning for the entire election. So if anybody is responsible today for distrust, it has to be Mr. Modi. I want to share something with you.
Okay, fantastic. All right, you say if anybody started this off, it was Modi. Well, forget the last campaign. Let's go back before that. Chaukidar chor hai, kisne kaha tha? Was that conducive atmosphere that was being created? You know, there have been, Sanjay Jha, let's just face facts. There have been acrimonious words used on either side of the fence.
Sure,
but the campaign is over. The campaign is over. The results have come out and the truth is in front of the nation. Having said that, when a Prime Minister is sworn in and his cabinet is sworn in, is there a need to be so grumpy and grouchy? Shehzad Poonawalla.
First of all, after seeing the track record of this family, which has got convicted 5 times, if Prime Minister says in a सार्वजनिक मंच कि चुनाव के बाद इनको अपनी अमानत और जो जमानत है वो उसकी हिफाजत करनी पड़ेगी, that is lowering the discourse by telling प्रधानमंत्री की हिटलर की मौत मरेगा, कब्र खुदेगी मोदी की, डैश डैश की मौत मरेगा, सनातन की समाप्ति होगी, तू गंगू तेली है, तू नीच है, भस्मसूर है, invoking his parents, abusing his OBC समाज, all of this is very kosher language. This is the kind of double standards our opposition practices, and saying that the government, which has a full mandate, the NDA has full mandate, and you are not able to cross 100 for the last 3 elections, but this government is half-panned government, then I would say this is not opposition, this is supposition. Only in the mind, you're supposing that you're an opposition, you're not really an opposition. Or you can also say that this is cut ke bana hua opposition. Now let me come to the fact. Today the Modi 3.0 government is in place. What do you see? You see 3 C's. One is capability. कैपेबिलिटी के आधार पर लोगों को मौका दिया है. वन इज कंटिन्यूटी, सी फॉर कंटिन्यूटी, जो विभाग अच्छा चला रहे हैं उनको कंटिन्यू किया है. एंड वन इज क्लैरिटी, पूरी क्लैरिटी के साथ आगे चल रहे हैं कि किस तरफ हमें जाना है विकसित भारत बनाने के लिए. पर इनके 2 सी क्या है? नॉट द सी यू आर थिंकिंग. द सी इज सी फॉर सिनिसिज्म. इतना सिनिकल है, संजय झा मुस्कुरा रहे हैं, पता नहीं कौन सा सी उनके मन में आया. सी फॉर सिनिसिज्म ऐसा सी है कि देखिए अब ये विश भी नहीं करना चाहते. दिस इज इन द हेल्थ ऑफ डेमोक्रेसी दैट यू से दैट कांग्रेचुलेशंस प्राइम मिनिस्टर, इवन दो यू हैव ब्रोकन माय फैमिलीज रिकॉर्ड, यू आर द फर्स्ट प्राइम मिनिस्टर born after independence who will be sworn in 3rd time. We accept that. This is the mandate of democracy. Such kind of intolerance in Modi Virod, you are intolerant towards the democratic principles that you are not even wishing. And the other C is confusion. हमने तो यहां पर प्रधानमंत्री और पूरा कैबिनेट बना दिया, टीडीपी भी जेडीयू भी संतुष्ट है, पर आप बताइए एलओपी क्यों नहीं बन पा रहा है? और एलओपी के ऊपर इतना एरोगेंस है कि अब्बास हैदर की शक्ल दिखाइए, उनसे तो पूछा तक नहीं जा रहा कि एलओपी आपका बना है. वहां वो कह रहे अखिलेश जी ने पीडीए देकर हमने जितवाया है इतनी सीटें, पर इनसे तो पूछा भी नहीं जा रहा कि एलओपी आपका बने. वहां उद्धव ठाकरे आ भी नहीं रहे, हनुमंत बेनीवाल आ भी नहीं रहे, और आम आदमी पार्टी और कांग्रेस पार्टी का तो 3 तलाक हो गया दिल्ली में. इंडिया अलायंस मतलब स्टिल बर्थ है, मतलब कि जैसे ही चुनाव हुए नहीं बच्चा जो है पूरा खत्म हो गया. परंतु मुझे लगता है कि उसका जवाब देने के बदले आज भी किस प्रकार से ये सी फॉर सिनिसिज्म लेकर घूम रहे हैं.
अब्बास हैदर, I want to ask you, MK Stalin का एक ट्वीट है, पी चिदम्बरम का एक ट्वीट है, and I think these are probably old school politicians who have kept up with the tradition and convention. I know the constitution doesn't say that the opposition has to congratulate the government that is assuming office. Nowhere in the constitution, but these are conventions, and at the end of an acrimonious campaign, people decide loser is loser, winner is winner, and the winner is congratulated. That's in the spirit of sportsmanship. Abbas Haider, why is it so missing?